Hi, I'm Nmami Agarwal, founder at Nmami Life. I'm a nutritionist and today I'm going to tell you which food item is healthier. Poha is made from flattened rice and upma is made from suji. Both are easily digestible, so good for someone who has digestion problem. Also, the best way to prepare is by adding lots of vegetables. By this, you'll be adding fibers and antioxidant. So it's also good for someone who's trying to lose weight. And if you compare both, poha is gluten-free, whereas upma is not. So someone who's gluten intolerant, poha is a better option. Rice खाऊंगी तो मोटी हो जाऊंगी. Nmami, rice makes me bloated. I cannot have rice because I'm diabetic. Well, I'm sorry to burst all your myths. Well, you should have rice if you're trying to lose weight, and you can have rice if you're diabetic. Rice have high glycemic index. Well, we generally do not have whole rice. We accompany it with vegetables or dal. So if we accompany with vegetables or dal, it makes it a medium glycemic index. So yes, rice and dal also makes a complete source of protein, which means it contains all the 9 amino acids. So if you ask me which one's better, brown rice or white rice, well, it's all up to you. For me, both are good, but if you compare both, brown rice, germ and bran is intact, so it has more fiber. Again, the way you prepare it, it matters. You can choose both. Multigrain bread, hands down. Brown bread is nothing but caramelized. It's only maida. Well, multigrain bread, there's a mixture of flour, so it offers a wide variety of nutrients. Also, if you see, there are sprinkles of flaxseed and sesame seeds sometimes, so it only adds to the nutritive value. The only wise way to choose anything is to read the labels. Well, for me, wine. Beer contains more calories. And also, beer is made from malted barley. So someone who's gluten intolerant, you have to be cautious while having beer. Rest, wine as a whole is good, but in the form of sangria is a big no. Well, anything with the name refined or processed should be avoided. It's the least healthy. Refined oils are treated with chemicals, treated with acids, purified with alkaline, bleached, or added fragrances. And the process may also lead to the formation of bad, unhealthy trans fatty acids. So for me, sunflower oil. Sunflower oil is rich in vitamin C and antioxidant. One quick tip, do not treat sunflower oil on a very high temperature and do not reuse it. Extra virgin olive oil, hands down. Now, extra virgin olive oil is not treated with heat, it's cold pressed, so the nutrients are intact, whereas olive oil can be heat treated. Extra virgin olive oil also contains polyphenols, antioxidant, so very good for your health and anti-inflammatory. One tip here again, extra virgin olive oil should not be treated with heat. It can be used in salad dressing or any cold food items. Well, I would say both again. You should include both on a regular basis, but if you compare broccoli and cauliflower, broccoli fares slightly higher because it has more vitamin C and vitamin K. It has vitamin A, which is not present in cauliflower. So yes, broccoli, it slightly fares higher than cauliflower. But did you know that there is a vegetable called broccoflower, which is actually cross-pollination between broccoli and cauliflower. It contains similar vitamins and minerals present in broccoli and cauliflower, also known as green cauliflower. So both are high in fiber, both have sulfur-containing antioxidant. So if you ask me, thumbs up for both. Taste-wise, paneer. Calorie-wise, tofu. Paneer is slightly high in fat content, high in calories when we compare with tofu. Also, tofu is made from soya bean, so someone who's lactose intolerant can easily have tofu.